this is Ryan Cabansal. Today we will create our new database. First, we open SQL Server Management Studio, then connect to our server. Now, we need to right-click Databases. Click New Database. We will write a name for our database. I will write Test Database. Click OK. Now we have our test database. Now we will create a new table. Then right-click Tables, click New Table, and now we will write our column names. Now, to save this table, click File, Save Table, and we will name it Stored Info. Click OK. Now we have our tables. Right click Stud Info Table, then edit top 200 rows so that we can put a data on our table. That's how we create a database. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.